Hey guys, I'm back. Today, I figured I'd do a follow-up video on the Gearshift because I had kind of an epic fail in my last video, well, the unboxing video, with trying to solve it, and figured today I would show you guys how to solve it. I learned using Red KB's method, and it's awesome, and it's actually not that hard of a puzzle to solve, and it's really enjoyable because this cube turns just so well. So, alright, I'm going to scramble it up real quick, then we'll get to the solve. Alright guys, here's the scramble, and I'm going to be using the II timer today. It's the timer, well, it's the only timer I have, but it's the best timer in my opinion. We're going to use it right here, and alright, so let's do some inspection time. Alright. Having a little trouble pulling apart right here. There we go. There we go. Oops, not quite. Come on now. There we go. Alright. So, $155.99. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys later.